Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Let's craft. Y'all stay tuned. And this is what we'll be making today. We will make a box that will not only hold our skinny notepad, slide that out for a moment, will also hold the book style notepad that we made. So let's set these to the side and we are going to make that box. So to make our quick and easy box, we're going to need a piece that measures 8 3/4 by 11 1/8, and I have already pre-scored, so we need to score at 3/4, 4 1/8, 4 7/8, and at 8 1/4. And then we'll rotate it to the 11 1/8 inch side, and we're going to score this at 3/4. We will score again at 10, and then again at 10 3/4. And we will fold and burnish our scores. Alright guys, so once our scores are folded and burnished, we're going to need to remove some paper. So we will have 2 flaps here at the top that we'll take out completely. So I'll just make a large X. We'll have a small rectangle and then a larger rectangle. And then here in the corner, we'll take out this corner piece. So I'll go ahead and bring in my finger blade, and we are going to remove these pieces first, and then we'll do the rest. So there's my one corner piece. And then I'll come directly up to the top and take out the 2 end pieces, just like this. So I've got these pieces out, and this now becomes a glue flap. So on this side, what I'm going to do is I have a tab here that I am just going to free up and angle cut in, just like that. And then I have 2 score marks here, and I am going to free the tab here by going up to the score mark and cutting down, and then I'll angle cut in on both sides, and I'll have a tab that looks like that. Then I'm going to turn this, and in the middle opposite this one, I'm going to come straight up and do the same thing. So this time I'll go up to that second score mark, cut all the way down, and free up that tab, and then I'll angle cut in just a little bit. And you can see that I've got a tab there. We'll do some more adjustments to that in just a minute. And then I'll come to this side, and I am going to cut up a tab just like I did down here. So I'll go to the second score mark, cut down, and then I'm going to angle cut in just a little bit. And then on both of these pieces that I just cut, I am going to come below this flap and just cut this tab down halfway. Just like that. So now when I put it together like this, this will be the back of my box, and this will be the front. So on the front of my box, what I want to do is I've got this long flap here, and then all I'm going to do is come in and remove some of this. So I'll come back, and I'm just going to cut halfway down, just like that. And I'll bring in my glue, and I'm going to take my glue and I'll fold this over, and then I'll come back with my bone folder, and I want to get this nice and stuck. And guys, the reason why I'm doing this is because I like the way that finished look looks. Instead of having a rough ragged edge, it gives it a nice finish to it. So now I am going to go ahead and place my acetate window. And the way that we place our acetate window is whichever side we folded and glued down, that is the front of our box. So I'm going to take this piece of chipboard, which measures 2 by 6 1/2, and I am going to place glue on it, and I'm simply using this as a template. And for me, I save all of my templates so that I can use them on other projects. And I'm going to put it down just like that. Then I'll flip this over, and now I can come back, make sure that's straight. Now I can come back and just cut out my window, because I have got an easy template laid down, and all I need to do is cut around it. And just like that, I have my opening. So now I have a piece of acetate that measures 3 by 7.5. So the way that I am going to put this down is I'll come back, and I'm just going to lay down a thin bead of glue. And I'll come back with my acetate, and I'm just going to place it down. And I will move this up and this down. So all I'm doing is spreading my glue up and away from the window, and then down. And now we have our acetate opening. And if you get any glue on the window, just like I did there, just wipe it up before it dries. And now we can put this together. So the first thing that I want to do is, on my flap here, I want to come back with my scissors, and I am going to just take a little bit off of the flap. And then I am going to take my glue flap, I'll place glue on it from the top to the bottom, and we'll get this stuck down. I'll match it up right here, and I'm just going to make sure that my top and my bottom match. And now we have a box. So what we need to do at this point is, on our bottom flaps, we need to fold these in. Then I'm going to fold this one up, and I'll place some glue on this piece, and I'll get this stuck down just like that. And I'll come back with my bone folder, and I'm just going to make sure that my glue is worked in, and we have a nice bottom part to our box. So now I'm going to take my flip book notepad that has a belly band on it, and I am going to just take this and place it inside of my box just like this. And as you can see, it fits. And now we have this wonderful box that will not only hold our skinny notepads, but will also hold our notepads that have belly bands. So I'll just bring those in so you can see just how quick and easy that project was. So I am going to come back with just a little piece of paper, and it's just a scrap piece, so I don't have any measurement on this. It's just one of my scraps that I just picked up, so you can find something that works. This looks to be about an inch, half an inch, but you can certainly find one that works for you. And I'm placing it down, and once it's dry, I'll come back with my scissors and snip off the excess. And then I can take this wonderful burlap flower and just put some glue on the back. I'm going to take that and place it right there. Make sure you don't get it on the opening of your box. We'll give that a moment to dry, and you guys can see just how pretty this is. So pretty, so easy to make. And now we have 2 boxes designed to hold our skinny notepads that are meant to be refrigerator magnets, and then the skinnies that are designed to fold over into a book style notepad. And there we have it. So I hope that you guys have liked this project, and if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel but are watching this video, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.